guys, welcome to Some Auto Parts. Now today's video we are going to fix the tailgate leader. And we can find this is the car with a low certification coming without the leader on the tailgate. And that one is the car from the factory with a leader, but it's without storage space. So we have developed some tailgate leader with a space for the two storage one on this post station, so you can put any tank for the water tank, for the oil tank, or the toolbox here. And we are going to fix the tailgate later today for show you guys and compare some difference of the one between the before and after. So follow my videos and let's go do that.